Hey, my name is Dee Beck. I am a travel advisor and Trello fan, and I am on a mission to show travel advisors how they can level up their travel business using Trello. In today's video, I am going to show you a simple way to organize workspaces and boards so that they appear in the order that you want them to appear. If you like today's video, I would love for you to subscribe and also check out my Etsy store where I have Trello boards for travel agents. All right, so let's get into it. Now, when we are in our Trello website, we open it up, you can see all of your workspaces along the left-hand side. But by default, they are going to be organized alphabetically. So remember, this is another tip that I have listed in another video. If you are working in the free version of Trello, you are not limited in how many workspaces you can have. Yes, you are limited to 10 boards per workspace, but that's okay because we're just going to create new workspaces. And then we're going to organize those workspaces by putting a number in front of our workspace title so that we can decide what gets listed first and so on, right? So here you can see I've got 1 all the way down through 7 that I have listed. So I've done the same thing for my boards. If I want them to appear in a certain order, I would just make my board title with a number in front of it, right? So let's do that together for a new workspace. We'll come up to the top right-hand corner. We'll find our menu for Trello. Scroll down to create workspace. And then here it is, workspace name. Now I stopped at 7, so I am going to put 8 dash, whatever you want your title to be. So we'll say sample title. For type, I just always select other. I don't put in a description. And then as I select continue, my workspace is now created and you can see it over on the left-hand side and it fell right where I wanted it to. Perfect, right where we want it to go. And the same is true for our boards. So in this workspace, I stopped at 4, and if I wanted to add one more, I could come into create new board and then create my board title with a 5 in front of it, and then whatever board title we would like here. We can keep it in the same workspace and then we select create. Now, when Trello does this for the first time, it actually takes you straight to your board. So that's what you see here, but let's make sure it landed in order where we wanted it to be. And that one was in actually a different workspace. Let's go down to this workspace. And don't panic if you don't see something right away. All you need to do is hit that refresh button because I can see the other 4 boards, but that new one I made isn't there yet. It just needs a little refresher, right? And there it is, board 5, whatever board title you want. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and I would be happy to answer them.